Hi, welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about how to manage your labor rates within CAR. From the dashboard, on the left-hand side menu, click My Account. From there, please click Labor Rates. That will bring you to CAR's labor rate page, where you can review all the labor rates that you can set for your service facility or fleet organization. So here you see we have Standard. Standard is used by the platform in order to always have a labor rate to be able to create service requests on the fly. Every other customer type listed here is a customer type that we added that has its own labor rate assigned to it. You can make changes or add customer type by pressing Add New Customer Type on the top right-hand side. Here you can list out the customer type and the labor rate per hour that you'd like to charge. Elsewhere, labor rates can be managed from the Edit Vehicle Profile page. So every vehicle has a profile, and within there you can select a default labor rate for this specific vehicle. This will guarantee that this labor rate always applies for this vehicle at your service facility. And lastly, we have within a service request. In every service request where you add a service job, you have labor. From there, you will have the ability to access all of the labor times and customer types that you have set forth in case you need to adjust one for a specific job on a specific customer. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.